here, folks. Giving you guys a little hint on what's going on tonight. Here we have Stuntman over here, Blunt Man over here, and Junkman over here. Here we are tonight at the famed Citi Field location that you guys all love. Special guest appearance by the good old New York City cop car. You didn't want to ride in one of the back of those, folks. Definitely not. Now, we have a Chevy Impala here. Very common on the streets of New York City. When the big boys jump out, you stand at attention. Also, we have here the Challenger, the Crown Victoria. Now, this has the police package, folks. It was right there. Someone took it off. I'll show you it's a police package. Inside, you're gonna love this. It's got a fire suppression system. How does this work here? There's light. See that right there? Hold on. You break the glass somehow, and you hit that, and it suppresses a fire. God forbid one of New York's finest is in there with a little fire happening. Now what we're gonna do, folks, we're gonna have Stuntman in one car, me and Blunt Man are gonna be the judges, and Junkman's gonna be the other. We all know Junkman's a Ford guy, so he's driving a Crown Vic. A little disadvantage. A lot of you guys are gonna say, oh, the Crown Vic's heavier, it's stronger, it's this, it's that. But as Stuntman knows, when we bought this thing, it's got a little leak in the tranny, so we're gonna even the score a little bit there, all right? The Impala's gonna be a front-wheel drive unit. We know we got rear-wheel drive in the Crown Vic. Junkman, what's your prediction?
I think they're pretty evenly matched. The only advantage is the rear-wheel drive. Horsepower-wise, they're probably around the same. I think the Chevy's got like 210. This is about 225, 230. But it's got rear-wheel drive over the front-wheel drive.
Bullshit, they're not evenly matched, okay? He's full of it. That's got the 4.6 motor, put it in a lot of the Mustangs. This NYPD Cop Car Challenge coming right out of New York City. You're gonna see some serious crap tonight, folks.
Isn't that the 6-cylinder?
Yeah. Get over here.
Wait a second. Hold on. So you guys are already playing this whole routine up that I got the advantage if he loses again? Really?
But I told everyone at home, you got the leaky transmission. Hopefully this thing doesn't catch on fire.
I got the fire suppression system.
And Blunt Man is a professional when it comes to smoke. So he's gonna know exactly what to do.
Yeah.
Listen, all I had to say, being able to get our hands on these two cars, this one specifically being a genuine...
Let me get the wide angle.
Police package, Crown Victoria. This one here, fully tinted out.
Tinted
just
out.
like NYPD did, okay?
Open and close that door real quick so everyone knows what that sound is all about back in the day. Up, pop it, close.
Hold on, let me give you a visual. When I got the bracelets, and I
back
had to
in the
get
car,
in.
young man.
I had to get in.
Wait.
Push his head in.
The only way to shut him up.
Hold on.
And I was always in here sitting on my handcuffs, and my wrists were killing me. And every time I said to the cop, can you loosen the handcuffs a little bit? They turned around and looked at me and grinned. And I wasn't happy.
All right, folks. Gentlemen.
Do you want me to call your mommy?
No, I don't want you to call my mother.
Are you gonna be okay?
Get out of here! Anyway, enough with the bull crap. We're gonna set it up. We're doing the NYPD Police Package Challenge. So folks, hold your hats.
We got Stuntman setting up over there. We got Junkman setting up over here. We're gonna add a little tranny fluid to this Crown Vic because we don't want it slipping too much. But he just ripped a nice hole shot, man. This thing performed. I was very, very pleased. All right, we gotta pop that hood and get you some tranny fluid.
All ready?
Nice. Got the police package.
Are you ready? Wait.
This is gonna get
Remember
good,
SWAT?
folks.
Anybody remember SWAT back in the
Of
day?
course,
There's
we
a new
all-
SWAT now, right? Well, the original, I was 6 years old, but
This is gonna
Look
get
at that.
interesting, folks.
wow.
We're setting up, folks. We're gonna do a tug of war. This is gonna be interesting. Stuntman setting it up, doing the chain work, folks. He's got the light. He already found a hole in the chassis on the Impala. Now he's gonna chain up the Crown Vic and let the games begin.
You don't have to put on the red light. Oh,
He was singing Roxanne.
sorry.
Junkman, are you ready?
Yep.
He's ready. Stuntman, are you ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
I like being in the front seat, not the back.
All right, good. We got cop car tug of war, folks. Let's see it, folks. Wait a second, the Impala. Wow, folks, he's pulling it. The Crown Victoria's doing good. I got my money on the Impala, folks. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there he goes. Oh, they broke loose. Wow, folks. That Junkman can handle a car, I tell you. Wow. He's dragging the chain, putting down a serious patch. Stuntman, you gonna take that? What's going on with your vehicle? Get out, it's a smoke show in there. Wow. Did you break it already?
Oh, she's running hot.
She's running hot. He ripped the chain right out of your chassis. He ripped it right out and the chain is still there. Hold on, folks.
You want to do some
Wow.
Is that the chain?
Yeah, that's the chain.
And it's attached. We're gonna have to call this a victory on a crown. You know something? Oh, he's mad. Now he's mad. This is called stealing the cop car. This is called stealing the cop car, folks. Oh, he's pissed.
Oh, the chain is going.
Rocking horses, folks. Oh, he's mad. Wow, no mercy, reversey, folks. Wow.
I think he's a little upset.
He's a little mad.
Can I have my
I'm doing no mercy reverse.
Uh-oh, no mercy
the car
reversey.
right
Wait till you
blowing
see
up
the
now?
no mercy reversey. You know what that is, Blunt Man? He's gonna bring this thing down the road at speed and toss it into reverse. No mercy reversey, folks! Wow! Where do you get to see it, ladies and gentlemen? Wow! He's gonna lose his pension over this.
my name.
Stuntman! He doesn't like to take a loss, folks. Wow. All right, folks. We got to calm this guy down. All right, Stuntman. Could he have his car back?
Yes, you can.
I just broke it.
Wow. Excellent job, Stuntman.
Yeah!
Is that your car over there?
Yes, overheated. I don't think it... Uh-oh. Junkman's up to something. And I don't think it's going to be nice. He's not playing nice after that, folks. Oh, no! I think I know what he's doing. I think I know what he's doing, folks. I got it. Oh! Oh, folks! He's not playing. You gotta watch out for flying rocks. Junkman's got skills, I see. Did he lose the transmission, folks? Did Stuntman take every last bit out of that transmission? Oh! Folks, Junkman has got something in mind. Wow. Demolition derby time, folks. Is it time to make the donuts? Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back after these brief messages. Blunt man, what do you think? Who won?
Ford, hands down.
The Ford man, and he's a Chevy guy too, like me. This thing's trashed. This thing looks like it was part of the French Connection. He ain't giving up. He ain't giving up.
He killed the tranny on me. I couldn't do anything.
I think you cooked his tranny well done.
Yeah, both of these cars are kind of done-ish.
You cooked the tranny. I couldn't get it spinning.
I know.
You cooked it.
I tell you something, Junkman,
Yes.
I'm gonna call it another victory, man. The Fords are getting us. We gotta come here with like a big block Chevelle or
This is what
something.
he gets for beating on my tranny.
Yeah, he wrecked it. He wrecked it. Stuntman, excellent job. Junkman, excellent job. Bluntman, great job judging. Cameraman, great job filming. We're going all the way, folks, and we ain't playing out here, as you can see. Like, comment, subscribe, everybody.
Right.
We're doing it.
Subscribe. He spoke.